Well, hey there, Leslie here. Well, the question today is, or this is a statement. Beginner paralegals, it's time to shake it up. Shake it up and keep learning new things. Don't get complacent. Don't become stagnant. Don't get stuck. And don't just sit there. It's time to add to what you already know. And the question is, what do you already know? And the bigger question is, how do you know how to help the attorney? What do you know how to do to help the attorney? So if you're sitting there and saying, don't they offer training? Leslie, once you go into the job, no, they don't have time for that. You've heard me say this. If you've watched a lot of my other videos, this is not a joke. This is not, oh, that's just maybe one or two legal workplaces. No, they don't have time. Nobody has time for that. They don't run a school. So what do you know how to do to assist the attorney? And do you have your foundation skills in place? Your typing, your filing, and how's your typing, by the way? Your filing, you know how to file. That's just knowing the alphabet, really. And illegal, they have other ways to file, but basically, these are your foundation skills. You know how to deal with the clients. You know how to answer telephones. Let's see, what else? Organization. How's your organization? But when it comes to specifically helping the attorney, you have to understand some of the paralegal duties. And here's my little segue moment in the video. Go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, look under Paralegal Resource Hub, get the playbook, no charge, download it today. Look for the paralegal duties on one of the pages. It'll teach you how to research them. You have to know some of these duties. You have to be able to talk about it with the attorney in your cover letter, but also in person. You will rise above the pack when you learn how to do this. When you learn some of those duties and you talk about it, you communicate it, it doesn't mean you have to be an expert. It means you have to know some of the duties and become familiar with them, not become an expert. Okay, don't translate what I'm saying to being an expert. But when you show that effort, it makes all the difference in the world. So get the playbook today and learn how to do that. And look at the other pages too. It's all there strategically to help you. And then if you can join us in class at Paralegal Inner Circle class or the Cover Letter Seekers class or both, then join us. You can look at the descriptions on the website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com.